Okay, let's talk about pricing for cosmetic surgeries. You know, in most things there is a bell-shaped curve. So if you look at all the fees that doctors charge, you're probably going to end up with a range at the highest point. And then in one end, you're going to have really low prices. And on one end, you're going to have really high prices. You know, I would not recommend going to the really low prices. There's something going on. Either the doctor has some issues with the board or a lot of malpractices, or they're not a plastic surgeon. They're trying to make some money doing plastic surgery. I would not recommend that. It's not worth the risk, because you cannot return a bad body. You know, you can return a defective couch or electrical equipment, but you can't return a bad body back. Now, on the other end, well, that has to do with the supply and the demand and the fame of the doctor. And to give you an example into wine, the most coveted wine in the world is probably Domaine Romanée-Conti. It's a Burgundy Pinot Noir. Some of the high-end bottles are being sold for $7,000 a bottle right now. Is the quality going to be any different than some other bottles that are still expensive, but you know, they're going to be maybe $200 to $400. You're going to get almost the same quality. Probably in a blind tasting you won't be able to tell them apart. But Domaine Romanée-Conti has so much demand and there's such a small supply of it. So when you get to the really expensive plastic surgery, I mean, there's so much I can do, or any surgeon with any part of the body. There's a limitation what you can do other than taking a picture and digitally Photoshop it. So that's up to you. If you feel somehow that you're gonna get a better result, or you want to show off to your friends that you paid $20,000 for something that costs $10,000, well, that's your decision. But honestly, try to find a plastic surgeon in that range, you know, the average range, and then make sure you like them. You're gonna be, you know, with them for a few months, so make sure you're compatible with them. And then very importantly, look at their before and afters. You have to like the doctor's work. If you don't like it, you're not going to be happy. I mean, most doctors are going to post their best results online anyhow. So if you don't like the best results, you're probably not going to like their average results. Keep that in mind. Well, I hope that was helpful to you.